Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Online Grocery, Shift UI and native iOS app inside need to create here the first of all the check which screen need to develop here today. We need to develop here the tab explore tab need to develop here first of all, and then after need to this item list we need to develop specific the selected category with API callings and dataset we need to create here and use here the MVVM architectures we need to use like similar to same like the MVC patterns we need to use here. Let's start how to write down this UI screens. First of all, we need to go back and to write down here the codes. We need to go inside the explore view and to write down here the text here. First of all, we need to create here the view stack we need to develop here. And to write down here the titles we need to develop here. First of all, to go inside the favorites and we need to copy these titles here. These informations we need to set the explore screen, set this here, and now need to set here the find, give the names here, and now need to search. Now this is the created years and to set years, and first of all need to property or save area down here, and now need to create here the search text fields. We need to go inside the home view and we need to copy the search text fields to copy here. Need to copy this search text at the home view. Also need to and this is the search text fields. Now need to copy and now need to this years. And first of all need to define here models and to now that here search string we need to write down here the double quotes and we need 40 unit. Now get this UI here, and then after we need to pause that here bottom or okay. Then after we need to get here the grids, scroll cheers. So first of all we need to create here our view models. We need to develop here. Go inside the view model folders, we need to write down here the files. Now need to go inside here the select SwiftUI files and to write down here the model. Write down and see here. Okay, then after we need to copy this home and to paste here inside the explore models here Now here, now need to set this here, and now need to create here the category models. Need to develop here for the category models. Need to go here type model, and we need to write down here category model. Now need to set the new models. Need to write down here the explore category models. Now need to here not view model, only models. Need to write down here trust file, write down here category model. Now need to paste this code here and to empty here the. Now need to set here some text. Need to put this here. Need to write down here the cat after cat name and image colors. Need. Okay, now these models are the ready, and model inside here. Model inside need to go explore view model. Now we need to go here and to write down here the API names already inside the Node.js. Here to use here the API. Open the Postmans. Write down here the explore cat list. And here we need to explore list API, copy this here, and now need to this here, and then after need to another API, we need to copy this explore category items API. We need to call this here. Now need to save this here, and we need to set here the explore item list. Write down. Now need to this API here and we need to set this API and to remove things here and we need to set this directly. But here goes into get response here the array. That's why we need this on it here. Okay, now these models are ready for here limitations, and next and non-use apps use property we need to remove. First of all, we need to initialize these methods. We need to write down here first of all the change this to fix this error here. Okay, now need to set this here done, and now initialize this model object. We set our explore tab view. Need to go inside the, and now need to state object. Here explore shares methods here, and now need to create here the first of all the grid. Now need to write down and here grid item not here. Now need to set this years and net set here. Use here against here. Okay, now need to set this year turns. Okay, need to not need to add flexibles, need to here. Now need to this flexibles. Now need to set here and here the easy. Past here, then after here, and now okay, now need to cells need to develop post calls, need to cells file here the files, explore category cell, need to copy these cells, category cells, to copy this data here and to insert. Now need to paste this here and we need the dev image SwiftUI need to use here, write down so need to paste this here. Now need to remove pass this value and need to this again. And need to set here some value, need to categories, need to go inside these cells, now need to node it's here write down explore. Now need to edge and first need to pass this here. Now need to check here and write down stack. Need to set. Now need to check here the height and width. Here walls need to use this value here. Now need to set here cell and need to this width height. Now need to set here height. Triple set here image height. It after we need to set height data set here. Spacer. And now these cells are the ready here data. Now need to need now need to create here the borders, but just need to add down here. Overlay. Now need to counteract. Now need to stroke color. Need to now need to add this here. Now this value are the set here for the okay, and now need to use this UI inside here the our grid cells. Need to go inside the explore view and we need to write down here for each we need to write down here id contents here and to pass here. Now need to check see object here. Now need to set this here and we to select this layers and need to give here and now need to sync. And here now need to load this here, and now need to okay. Now this UI are the display goods here, and need to put write down some ratio. Admin to check inside our codes. Go inside. Okay, now display good this UI here, and we need to set here the bottom padding. Copy this here. We need to set here bottom insert. Now need to set this here, set the scroll. Now need to set this here, this value here, and now need to create here the next screen. So need to develop here the list view, develop here proposals here. We need to write down here the view models. Need to create here, write down the new files. Need to write down here the explore item models. Set this years and to years, and copy these product details models. Need to copy. Need to now need to paste here. And to set here the change here. Very now stare as we need models. Good things no needs here. No need to send. call this list API name here and explore and to get here that ID and to pass here this object at the then after need to get here the response need to here list direct pass this and no needs this value here and this model's name parts inside the web models need here now need to node here text clean this. Okay, this is the explore item models are the done and we need to write down here the new view inside the explore folders, write the new files and to write down here the explore item here. Okay, this is the set here and now we need to write down here the Z stack right here. Suppose navigation titles need to set blank, navigation back buttons hide, so need to after navigations bars hide, after need to set here the ignore safe area and first of all need to get here the product details view, need to go and to copy this header stack logic. Now need to stack here at here property get here environment side check inside the login page its value. And now these are the runs here to define here the one state and write down explore now need to click blank set here. Suppose you need to pass this value inside for these models, write down models explore inside your category and CPA the category. Bracket is square bracket, set that here. Okay, now it's done, and to check this here. Now display this UI. Now need to copy this set. Now go inside the store items. Minimum maximum that here. Set here center. And now need to give you the models names. Need to MVVM change this filter icons. Need to now need to create grids. First of all, need to develop here the now need to this here. Not flexible set here and spaces need to change. And after here scroll easy grids with chairs columns um, seeing now need to the padding bottom set and now need to add down here with tense need to come list array. In now need to cells need this the here. Now need to check work or not. Principles. Okay, get this error. The comma. That's why. See why? And now need to wait for the loading this UI and the spinning. Now this load this data here and need to pick this issue here. False speaks ID here. Get here with dynamic. Now need to this here. Now need to now and now need to wait for the load UI and what. Then now put this UI here. And now this UI are the display goods and to here set this UI and the dynamic. First of all need to write down here the calls events, how to configure this here the events. Write down here the navigator destination labels need to set here. Now need to UI here. As I need to pass here explore. here. Write down. Down. Let's get a, this is the logic for your gently. Set this here. And to paste this UI are working good. Not view. And okay, now I'm waiting for the load this UI here, and this UI loads are done, so I need to click here the fruits and to get here the fruit list, and then after to not get this data because this area inside no any data, that's why not display here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment section. I will help you and sort out your issue. And everyone have a nice day and goodbye. Take care.